So I have here a 2002 Honda Civic Si, the ep3. I guess over time, the fuel pump hanger develops cracks on the plastic, gets brittle. They start cracking all on the top right here and right over here on this little like edge. If you want to save some money, you can buy the JB Weld 5-minute plastic epoxy glue. Just gotta remove the fuel pump hanger, clean it off, surface, make sure it's nice and dry, and then apply the glue, let it sit overnight, and then reinstall it. I will show you what JB Weld glue works the best. It's rated for about 3,900 psi of pressure. To remove the seat, it's really simple. It's just that clip goes right there. Same for the passenger side, right there. All you do is you lift up on this area, which would be about here on the seat, and same for the other side, about here. And there's a 10mm bolt back there that you remove. Bolt goes through this, goes over there. Take that off, and then the seat can come right out. So this is the glue I used. You can get this at any auto parts store. It says 5 minutes. It does dry up in like about 5 minutes. Supposedly it fully cures in an hour, but I give it 24 hours. That way it's completely dry. I've used this on a previous vehicle of mine. It's been holding up for over 2 years now.